Hello friends, welcome to GokulTech. Today, formula number 21. Here we are going to discuss about if formula. Before jumping into video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And all the 20 days, previous 20 formulas of which we have discussed, the playlist link will be in the description. Please do watch and share to your friends who are all in need. Let's jump into the formula. Let's say what is the meaning of if? If what happens means like in a kind of a assumption which you are going to deal with this one, right? Okay. Now I'm going to type if and click enter. You can see logical test, the syntax, logical text, value if true, value if false, what will comes. Okay. Now I'm going to see the quantity. Okay, I'm just checking this quantity. If it is greater than, let's say, 50, then I can say this is best. If it is less than 50, I can say it is least, or like I can see, yeah, least. Let's keep it as short, least. Close it, click on enter. You can see it's came as 33 is less than 50, so it is not greater than 50, so it's given the least. But if I come to the 87, it is automatically comes as best because 87 is greater than the 50, which is our conditional value. So if it is nothing but the logical testing or conditional value to assess the particular column or the value to be shown in the data. Even if you want, if you have, maybe you may get a doubt, suppose instead of um, least and best, if I want to give it numbers, yes, you can give. How you can give is like if, again the logical is same, it is less than 50, then I can give 1, or else give it as 2. Now you can see there is a difference. I didn't give double quotes for 1 and 2. Why? Because whenever in the formula we are declaring, we are giving answer or giving a number, we are not supposed to give it in a text format, which is in a string. Even if you want that one to be in a string format, you can use double quotes. But what I prefer is, if you want something to be given in a text, go with words, not with the numbers. Because in future, while preparing the reports, it will give you an error of conversion data. So now it's become 1 because this value is less than 50 and this value is greater than 50. Hope you have understood this formula clearly. If you have any doubt in this formula, please do reach us via comment. If you want to follow us through Twitter and Instagram, all the IDs have given in the description, and also you can get it on our channel. Thank you for watching our video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye from GokulTech. Thank you. Jai Hind.